Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexus and Company. Today we talk about the topic of status of sex workers in India. India is such a vast country where people perform several type of works to sustain their life and to earn basic livelihood. Some of these workers are part organized sector where everything have some established process, but at the same time there are several work which comes under unorganized sector, and the individual were exploited in this sector because there were no proper follow of the laws. Even the individual were denied their fundamental basic right, which was important for individual to live a dignified life with respect in society. In such a scenario where people in society hold stigma about sex workers and their works, living a dignified life is very challenging. They have to face several difficulties to fulfill basic requirement and basic livelihood. For several years, there is doubt about whether the work of prostitution come under profession or not. Is some right available in such worker? Can their fundamental right be dissolved, or what protection they hold under constitution or IPC, etc. In general term, we can say that prostitution means engaging in sexual activity with other people who is not your legally spouse or friend in exchange for some amount of money. There is no proper law in India related to work of prostitution which regulate them and govern them. Generally, to regulate it, there is Immortal Trafficking Act 1956, the IPC, as well as Juvenile Act. All these are some provisions in India which deals with prostitution and human trafficking. Supreme Court in Buddha Dev Karmashkar versus State of West Bengal held that prostitution are entitled to dignity as well as equal protection under the law. Hence, we can say prostitution is a part of term profession. In India, voluntary sex is not illegal in India, and no one can be charged for voluntary sex, but running brothels as well as place where prostitution can be performed is illegal, and it is punishable under IPC. Several provisions of the land, Supreme Court ordered that when authorities are raiding such bonds, etc., they cannot illegally arrest and harass the individual who are performing such activities, because voluntary sex is not illegal in India. Thank you so much. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.